welcome to another episode of Real Beauty, Real Food, and Real Life. This is your girl SJ here, and you're probably wondering, why is she wearing that mask? Well, because I want to tell you the story so you can understand just a little bit better. So if you've been following me on my Snapchat, you know that I recently went to go visit my son in Quantico, Virginia. And as a graduation gift, because he is a staff sergeant in the Marines, I decided we would go get mom and son pedicures. So we went to Dreams Nail and Spa, located in Stafford, Virginia, which is a couple of miles away from Quantico. And we got the, I think it was the stone pedicure. So it came with the feet, it came with stone massage, paraffin dips, you name it, it went with the works. Now, those people are really, really nice. I was really impressed with the service that I got. And I was looking at some of the other services they have, and they have wax services. So I'm like, okay, let me check out the wax services. I was like, okay, you know what? I've been needing to get my brows done, and I haven't had a brow archer, razor for a minute. And so I'm like, okay, you know what? I'm going to let them do my brows. So we went to the back, and the lady did my brows. And then she talked me into getting the lip done, and around the sides, and even the neck. So I got that done. She tried to get me to do the woo-ha. But, I'm really picky on that done. So I wanted to go to who I normally would go to back in Kansas City. So I would not do that. Now, when I got back to the hotel, I made sure to put some alcohol on, as well as I took a shower. After the shower, I just pretty much did my regular bed routine. And I was feeling a few little bumps up here, between my forehead, because I have hair that grows here, so they wax that area. Well, y'all, look what happened. I got all kind of little bumps right here. I'm surprised I didn't get any here, and I didn't get any here. And I'm thinking, okay, let me put a little bit more alcohol on it when I got home. Because, I was flying out the next morning. Man, when I got home, and I took me a little bit of a nap, because, tired, You know how it is, jet lag and everything. Woke up, and look, I got bumps everywhere they waxed. Everywhere. Wow. So I got this done Saturday. Excuse me. And today's Monday morning. Look at this. Now, I don't really get a lot of bumps. Excuse me. I might get bumps when it's time for my period to come. But other than that, I don't get a whole lot of bumps. My skin is fairly smooth. I mean, yeah, I have a few of my birthmarks showing on the sides and stuff. But that's about it. This right here, oh my gosh. I don't know what's going on. All I know is that I'm not liking this. Look at that. I had her do under here. Okay. Never again will I go to a Chinese person or anybody that doesn't know what they're doing wax. So I had to think about it, what happened that would have did this. And I remember her taking this little stick and dipping it in the wax and put it on there, and then she would, push that thing on there and pulled off the hair, and she would get new sheets of that. But I see what the problem was is that stick. When I usually get my woo-ha done, they use a different stick every time they dip into that thing. She was using the same stick. And I think that's the problem. That, or it could have been the wax. It's hard to determine because I'm used to having, if I go somewhere and get something like that done, they dip a new stick. Every time they put it on my skin, they throw that stick away and get a new one. Throw it away and get a new one. And that's how they normally do. So this one didn't do that. And so now I have to pay the consequences. Now I done did alcohol. I do clear water. I have not put any chemical, nothing on my face other than the alcohol because I'm scared. Benzone, I put that on there. And nothing but water. If you all have any idea what I can use, please make sure you comment below. Has this happened to you before? I don't know. I just don't understand it, y'all. I'm hoping that it goes away. And if it do, great. I even put it on my Snapchat because I'm like, what's going on? So, yeah, if you know anything I can do that you know works, you have to have experienced this to understand it and know that it works. Let me know. Please comment below. Yes, I want you to hit the like button anyway because I told you about it. Because it takes a lot to want to show some stuff like this. Look at this. Y'all didn't know who I was or didn't see me before. Y'all think, what? What you doing? What you into? What? Why, that'd be my thoughts on it. So, yeah. Help me out, YouTube fam. I need y'all. All right. So, yeah, this is your girl SJ with Real Beauty. Not anymore. Real food. And this right here happened in real life. It's today, Monday, right? Yeah. It's your girl SJ. Please make sure you comment below. Let me know what I should do next. Thanks.